I'm brain injury attorney Michael Kaplen, and welcome back to the Brain Injury Insider. Today, I want to share some fascinating and concerning new research. The research reports that traumatic brain injuries, TBIs, may speed up the aging process in post-9/11 veterans. Researchers looked at blood samples from over 1,000 veterans, most in their 30s. The study was published in the Journal of Head Trauma Rehabilitation, and the study found veterans with a history of TBI in all degrees of severity showed signs of aging faster at the biological level. In other words, their bodies were acting older than their actual age. The study included veterans who sustained a concussion, acknowledging that a concussion is a brain injury. The study emphasized that deployment-related TBIs, injuries sustained while serving, were even more strongly tied to this accelerated aging. The study also found differences between men and women, with female veterans showing stronger connections between TBIs and faster aging. Faster aging can increase the risk of chronic diseases, disability, and even shorter life expectancy. But it's also important to point out that the study shows an association, not direct proof that TBI can cause this aging. It was based on self-reported injuries, which aren't always perfect. And since it only looked at post-9/11 veterans, we don't know yet if the same results hold true for civilians or veterans from other eras. Experts stress that while TBI may be a risk factor for abnormal aging, it doesn't mean there's nothing we can do. Things like proper medical care, exercise, diet, good sleep, and stress management could all help slow down or even reduce these effects. Researchers are also working on follow-up studies to better understand how and why behind this connection. The goal is to create better prevention and treatment strategies for veterans and hopefully for civilians with TBIs. If you're a veteran or you know someone who is, it's critical to recognize that a brain injury isn't just something that happened in the past. It can have long-lasting effects on health and aging. Talk to your healthcare provider. Share your TBI history and stay proactive about brain health. If you want to help change the conversation around brain injury, please share this information and consider subscribing. That's all for this week on the Brain Injury Insider. Please join me next week as we continue to uncover the hidden truth about brain injury and its impact on millions of lives.